How to fix some keys not working on your laptop keyboard. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix some keys not working on your laptop's keyboard. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your settings. After you open up your settings, you will need to head over to System. And after you're on System, scroll down till you find Troubleshoot. Open up Troubleshoot and head over to Additional Troubleshoot or Other Troubleshoots. After you head over there, you will see different options which you can troubleshoot. You will find your keyboard here. You should be able to find them. If you don't find it, it's completely all right. For some devices, the troubleshoot option is just not there. So head over to, as I said, you can simply find your keyboard's troubleshooter and then troubleshoot your keyboard. Now, after you've done that, that should basically fix your problem. But if that does not fix your problem, simply open up Control Panel. So head over to your Control Panel, open up your Control Panel, and after you open up your Control Panel, you will need to head over to your Device Manager. For that, head over to Hardware and Sound, and after you're on Hardware and Sound, you should be able to see an option called Device Manager right around here. Tap on Device Manager and open that up. After you open that up, you should be able to find an option called your keyboard. Simply search for your keyboard. It's right here. Tap on that. You can open this up, and from this, head over to drivers and tap on update driver. Update your driver and that will fix your issue. And that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.